Welcome to K and Dash Show.
Bro, nou weet je hem vangen, bro.
I'm at King Vuyo on TikTok.
Oh yes, yes. King Vuvu.
Kom, say fast.
Oh my word. Oh shit. Yo guys, it's your boy K.
And
Hey, welcome back to the K&A show.
cause that's how we.
Roll. Nee, wit. Nah, away.
Nah, okay.
Okay. Ah, wat dat, boy. Ah. Nice.
Ah ja.
Wait, but
I
okay
think
guys.
we do it again,
Okay.
Kijk,
Guys, so today.
guys, nobody
do,
think
man?
the what we're gonna do, man. Kijk, if you don't know, we're gonna bust beer bottles. And we're gonna make sure that we don't get gevangen. Basically, now what's happening is, for the people that don't know, you shouldn't drink. Drinking is not a good thing. No? It's a sin. But don't drink
today-
it drunk.
Today we're gonna make like we drink because we don't drink. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to people. We're gonna be like, yo guys, yo man, we must have some to drink, man. What is this? And then we're gonna break it. So guys, stay tuned. And
don't
we're gonna
forget
look where's the people now,
Just
man.
tell them they mustn't forget. I feel like they're forgetting.
Don't forget to like,
Comment.
and subscribe to the K&A show. Because why? Yo, coach
Good,
man.
Aya.
Wait,
Without any further ado, let's get into this.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna break this lock. What do you think we're gonna do? We're gonna break the bottles. Don't show the mic. Like, wait. Yes, Owen. Nou, wit, Owen. Lekker. Nee, lekker joh. Nee, speelt weer bij Owen. Jo.
Ja, Owen, het smaakt drank hier, man.
Nee, lekker Owen. Jij bier, Owen.
Ja, man, ik hou niet, man.
Bier, nee.
Owen, nee, man.
Als die op blik.
Nee,
Nee, man, als je niet kaas wil, Owens. Owens, je moet het kaas hebben, bro. Mijn bro, nee, wat, Owens. Maar wat is die nemen, bro?
Nee, kom hier, man.
Als je me, bro. Ik ben aan het maken, ik denk zo maar hier, bro. Als die moet zit. Joh, bro.
Hij dan, man.
Nee, bro. Wat is die me, bro, Owens? Nee, ik denk hier,
Joh,
bro. Wat is die,
ja,
Owens?
ja,
Owens, hè?
Owen,
Come on, Owens, please, Owens.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Yo, guys, that was hectic, guys. Nah, I didn't think I wanted to do this video, man. I'm being serious, bro. Because they were talking.
Hey, bro, you wanted to do this, bro.
You see the problem?
Nah, you wanted to do it, bro.
Guys, look,
And I'm
Owens,
hurt, me, bro. Look here, bro.
Owens, look.
Look here, bro.
Yo,
Everything for you,
Owens.
it's red. So what does that mean?
Subscribe to the channel, guys.
Guys,
Oh, we wanna see more of these bangers, more of
guys,
these videos. Subscribe.
mention does your dog because I don't think your dog bleed like me, man.
Wait, I was
Honestly.
leaking to guys. Sorry. Okay.
Thank
But
you,
guys, let's go on to the next contest or the next people we're gonna prank, guys. Please. So we are busy. Yo, like so, but how you gonna run, bro? Alright, let's gonna go to the next people. We're gonna look for people. Do you think people in the corners drinking?
Nah,
not
man.
drinking,
If you
huh?
go this side and then we're gonna get them there.
Wait, okay.
Let's talk, man.
I will talk, guys. Guys, we are getting back the K&A.
Yeah, bro. Yo,
Let's
tijd
stay
toen,
tuned.
hè.
Let's
My
do-
legs was too so yesterday, man.
That's why I couldn't do that
Wait,
thing
wait.
done.
But
Guys,
man,
look here.
we seeing people, no?
And I don't think they can see us, but they're standing on the bridge,
Oh,
man.
yeah.
The cameraman just showed them
Kijk,
there.
die wijs gewoon,
Just showed them
wijs
there. Oh yeah, Owens.
Let's
So now they're standing there. Yeah, they're
So
standing
look
there.
here, we're gonna tell the cameraman to stand a bit wide, no?
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook. Guys, forgive the audio if it's too far and you
You
can't
can't
hear
hear
it.
it. Yeah.
Then just know, no?
So just know, guys,
So this side,
we're gonna
just
break
stand
the
there,
bottles,
and then
Owens.
we're gonna go.
Subscribe, man.
Subscribe. Thank you, man. Cameraman, you can see everything, no? Alright, let's go.
Oh wait.
See it.
Oh yeah, Owens. I think that's my koi.
Yo, dat drank zeker, no? Ik weet hij, no? Allah moet die drankje, man.
Mijn maat verzegt dat wel, moet ik dan. Maar oké. Ja, mijn maat, ik weet het niet. Ja, mijn maat, Owens.
Kan ik hem niet krijgen, man? Kan ik hem niet krijgen, bro? Yo, ouwe! Kan ik je een beetje krijgen, man? Yo, man, why you drinking? Why you lying? Yo, kijk hier, ja! Kijk hier, bro! Kijk hier, bro! Wat heb ik hier? Hij is dom, bro! Wat trouwens, man? Die man is dom! Wat zijn hier? James, if I'm saying now, look here, man, bro. Why is Fala here, man? You see here, man? Yo, full so get
I see you make a humor thing there.
bro, my foot, man, it was stiff, man. But the thing
Guys,
is,
that's just
luckily there was no blood.
Yo, like last time, no?
Yo, bro. You know, I'm just tired. That was a fitness session, to be honest.
I'm just gonna say thank you for them who's watching.
Yo, thank you for the people that still watching, now. Shout out to you, man.
And really, honestly speaking, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button, man, because you're almost you're by 500 something.
Let's get us to 1K before the end of this year.
Please, guys.
He's gonna
let's
cut him
go.
a place, and I'm gonna cut him a place.
On the channel, no?
On the channel.
Okay,
If
guys.
we reach 1K subscribers, we're gonna cut this a place. So make sure you press that subscribe button.
Guys,
3, 2, 1. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you
hey
for
guys,
subscribing.
gonna see you guys in the next video, guys.
Thank you, man.